Hello friends, in this video I will be explaining on class 9 chapter 4 structure of the atom. Before we further discuss about the structure of an atom, let's know what is an atom. An atom is a basic unit of matter. We all know everything, be it solid, liquid or gas, they are all made up of matter. And all these matters are made up of smallest tiny particles called an atom. Atom and atom comes together to form matter. Matter and matter comes together to make up everything. So, in this video, we are going to learn different models of an atom forwarded by different scientists like Thomson's model of an atom, Rutherford's model of an atom, Bohr's model of an atom, and we will also learn distribution of electron in different orbits. So, we will start with Thomson's model of an atom. According to Thomson, an atom consists of positively charged sphere and the negatively charged electron which are embedded in it. We can simply take the example of watermelon. While the watermelon are positively charged entirely, whereas the seed inside the watermelon are negatively charged like an electron embedded in it. And also, the negative and positive charges are equal in magnitude. That is, atom is electrically neutral. That is, the atom have equal number of positive and negative charges. Limitations of Thomson's model. It was found out later on that Thomson's model was not completely correct because the entire sphere of an atom are not positively charged, but instead the positively charged particles reside only at the center of an atom called the nucleus, and the negatively charged electron revolves around the nucleus. Here now we have Rutherford's model of an atom. Rutherford also started studying about the structure of atom and did some experiment, where in his experiment he made the fast moving alpha particles to fall on a thin gold foil. This diagram shows the experiment of Rutherford. From the figure we can easily see some beams do not show any deflection, but instead they pass straight through the foil. Some beams show small angle deflection while the other beams show large angle deflection, and only few beams rebound back. After the experiment, Rutherford put forward his model of an atom. The center of the atom is positively charged and is called nucleus. The negatively charged electron revolve around the nucleus in circular orbit. The size of the nucleus is very small, but the mass of an atom resides in the nucleus. For so many years, Rutherford's model was accepted, but later on, there were some points which he could not explain. Drawbacks of Rutherford's model. According to Rutherford, electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular orbit, but these electrons should lose energy while revolving due to acceleration in the form of radiation and force into the nucleus. Thus, atom would be unstable and get collapsed, but in actual, the atoms are very stable. Bohr's model of an atom. Bohr also suggested his idea on the structure of atom. According to him, special orbits known as discrete orbits of electrons are present inside the atom. These orbits are also called energy level. Electrons do not radiate or lose energy while revolving in these discrete orbits. We can easily see from the diagram. Electrons move around the nucleus in its respective orbit. Structure of atom. After different models forwarded by different scientists, the actual structure of atom was forwarded. That is, an atom consists of protons and neutrons in the nucleus, and electrons revolve around the nucleus. Protons are positively charged, neutrons are neutral, and electrons are negatively charged. The electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular orbit called energy level. From figure, we can understand that protons and neutrons together form the nucleus and occupies the center of atom, and electrons are present outside the nucleus. The energy level. Let us know something about the energy level or orbit. The innermost orbit is called K-cell or first energy level. The next orbit is called L-cell or second energy level. The next orbit is called M-cell or third energy level. The next orbit is called N-cell or fourth energy level, and it goes on. Electrons distribution in different orbits or shell. The maximum number of electrons present in a cell is given by the formula 2n square. Now we will learn how electrons are distributed in different orbits or shell by using the formula 2n square, where n is the number of shells. It can be either 1, 2, 3 or 4, and it goes on. Using this formula 2n square, we can know the maximum number of electrons present in different shells. For example, the K shell have only 2 electrons, whereas the L shell have 8 electrons, M shell have 18 electrons, and N shell have 32 electrons. Thank you so much. This video is all about the structure of atom and electron being distributed in a different energy level. And this is the end of video. Thank you.